वहां लिए चलते हैं.
Members of the media, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It is a great pleasure to be in Turkey again, our second home. At the outset, I express deep gratitude for the warm and gracious hospitality extended to me and my delegation. I also take this opportunity to reaffirm Pakistan's abiding solidarity with Turkey. I particularly reiterate our strongest condemnation of the heinous coup attempt in Turkey on 15th July last year. We pray for the 248 martyrs and wish speedy recovery for the 2,200 injured. The people of Turkey proved on that night that their power was mightier than the rolling tanks and roaring guns. The way they defended democracy would be written in golden words. Turkey has been sensitizing the world community about the threat posed by the pernicious network responsible for the illegal coup attempt. Pakistan recognizes its gravity and supports all necessary measures to combat it. I emphasize again that Turkey's enemies are Pakistan's enemies. I reaffirm our fullest support for Turkey in its fight against this menace. History is witness that the valiant Turkish people cannot be cowed down by such cowardly tactics. We are certain that Turkey and its leadership would defeat all threats to their security, moves to undermine the economy, or designs to change perceptions. We believe Turkey would continue to march on the path of peace, progress, and prosperity, guided by the vision and charismatic leadership of President Erdogan. Terrorism is a common enemy. In a recent attack in Pakistan, terrorists have brutally targeted the Sufi shrine of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar, which is a symbol of progressive thought, peace and love. However, the terrorists cannot weaken our resolve to eliminate this scourge. Mr. Prime Minister, my brother, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we have had a very productive fifth session of the High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council. In our wide-ranging talks, we reaffirmed our joint commitment to continue to transform our special relationship into a strong strategic partnership. Pakistan-Turkey cooperation is flourishing in diverse fields, including political, economic, investment, energy, development, security, communications, education, culture, and tourism. Our defense collaboration has acquired special salience. The agreements and MOUs signed today would further reinforce this process. We are hoping that the Turkish private sector would take benefit of the vast opportunities offered both by Pakistan's impressive economic outlook and our focus on regional connectivity, particularly infrastructure development, energy, and transport sectors. As we celebrate the 70th year of Pakistan-Turkey diplomatic relations in 2017, we would further intensify and enrich our people-to-people exchanges. I am sure that our enduring ties, based on common bonds of faith, history and culture, and inspired by shared commitment to democracy, peace and development, would continue to grow from strength to strength. Ladies and gentlemen, Turkey and Pakistan are two pivotal states located in strategic regions facing multiple threats and challenges. I have apprised the Prime Minister of the security environment in our region and of our endeavors for peace, stability and economic development. I convey the deep gratitude of the people of Pakistan for the consistent support we have received from Turkey on the Kashmir dispute. We reaffirm our abiding support for Turkey's position on Cyprus. I also thanked him for Turkey's principled position on issues of strategic stability in South Asia. Pakistan remains committed to pursuing cooperative ties with India and Afghanistan as part of our vision of peaceful neighborhood. We also exchanged views on our shared concern over attempts to link Islam and terrorism and resolve to intensify our joint endeavors to combat growing Islamophobia. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan attaches great importance to our partnership with Turkey. As indispensable partners, Pakistan and Turkey remain committed to promoting regional and global peace and prosperity. Together, we would continue to work for building a safer and better world. I thank Prime Minister Binali Yildirim again and look forward to welcoming him in Pakistan at the earliest opportunity. Thank you. And Turkey is Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad. The friendship between Turkey and Pakistan, Zindabad.
वजीर आजम मियां मोहम्मद नवाज शरीफ अंकारा में मुश्तरका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब कर रहे थे। वजीर आजम ने कहा कि तुर्की के साथ इजहार यकजहती करते हैं। तुर्की में नाकाम फौजी बगावत की कोशिश की गई थी। तुर्की के अवाम ने इस दिन जमहूरियत का दिफा किया जो सुनहरे अल्फाज में लिखा जाएगा।
उनका कहना था कि तुर्की मेरा दूसरा घर है और अपने घर आकर हमेशा खुशी होती है। तुर्की के दुश्मन पाकिस्तान के दुश्मन है। उनका कहना था कि उम्मीद है कि तुर्क सदर की क़यादत में तुर्की में अमन, खुशी और तरक्की का सफर जारी रहेगा। उन्होंने उम्मीद जाहिर की कि तुर्क वज़ीर आज़म बिनाली यल्दिरिम जल्द पाकिस्तान का दौरा करेंगे। उन्होंने दावत भी दी। पाकिस्तान तुर्की जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद का नारा भी हमने अपने खिताब के आखिर में लगाया।
जियो न्यूज में अभी